How to clear or remove your recently played list on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can clear your recently played list on Spotify. Well, if you are wishing to remove the recently played list completely, then unfortunately the answer is you can't. Well, Spotify has long back removed the option to clear your recently played list. However, what you can do is, if you don't want anyone else, your followers or friends, to see what you have been listening to, then what you can do is you can change the settings. You can set your listening list or recently played list to private. To do so, first open up the Spotify application, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. Once under settings and privacy, you want to look in for the option that is privacy and social. You can see here privacy and social. Once you tap on it, you want to head into privacy and social, and there you should see the option that says listening activity. You can see share what I listen to with my followers on Spotify. So you want to make sure that this option is toggled off. If you only want to hide your session temporarily, then you'll get the option that says private session. You can see there, temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. Private sessions will be automatically ended after 6 hours, so you can enable this. Or if you just want to hide your listening history from everyone, you can toggle this option of listening activity. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.